Okay, so I just wanted to make this video to show you how to use a flowchart just in case you've never used one before. This one's called Troubleshooting a Blank Monitor Screen. I came up with this example when I was thinking about kids going into a school computer lab that's been idle for a while. And so maybe some of the computers just need to be woken up, but then some might actually have a few glitches. So this is a flowchart that students could possibly use to solve these problems when they get into the computer lab. So they would start out at this first decision diamond, and it asks, did you wiggle the mouse or press any key on the keyboard? So if the kids haven't done that yet, they should give it a try. And they know that because they would say no, they follow the no path, and it says, wiggle the mouse or press any key on the keyboard. Now if they give that a try, and it still isn't working, they still don't see anything on the monitor, they can follow the yes path. And it takes them to another decision diamond. This one asks, is the monitor's power button on? So the students would check. If it's no, then they would turn the power button on for the monitor. And then if it's yes, they follow the yes path down to another decision diamond. This one asks, is the monitor's cable plugged into the monitor and computer? So they might have to get up, look behind the computer, and if it's no, they need to make sure everything's plugged in. And if it's yes, then they still need to keep checking. So it says, is the monitor's power cord plugged in? If it's no, they plug in the monitor's power cord. If it's yes, then they have to ask, is the computer turned on? If the answer is no, turn on the computer. If the answer is yes, contact a computer technician for assistance, or that could just be you, right, the teacher. And then you might need to call for assistance. So this is a really nice way for students to get more independence in solving their own problems. You'll definitely want to make sure that you have permission to allow the kids to manipulate the cables and the power cords.